It's all the same Jordan gang. What it do, YouTube? Jordan Games reaction. I'm back with another video. That's right, boy. I'm back with another play. So I just got done recording another video. It's probably gonna be out by now because I just, put it out this morning. But today, your boy's feeling vines. So what I'm gonna do is sit down. Oh wait. So what I'm gonna do is, record me some vines. This is gonna be the Barnes dude, whatever his name is, and Quincy. Listen, I've seen this on Hey, that money that he's holding up back there, that's going inside my music video. The music video called Fake Money. Be ready for that. So you know what your boy gotta do is just play the video. Get all that fake money on my face,
Quincy,
right?
the DNA test came back. You are the father. Quincy, guess what day it is tomorrow? It's Christmas!
It's not really Christmas. This
Quincy,
video came out like.
Is it okay if I have my protein? You don't even lift, buddy, so I'm going to take it. Quincy, is it okay if I take my deodorant and stick my arm down? Hey, Quincy, is it okay if I get my key? I'm going to be late for work. Hey, Quincy, is it okay if I take one of my socks, please? You don't pay for these. I do, and you've been sitting in them all day, so I'm going to take it right now. Come on, please.
I'm a bee.
Quincy, is it okay if I have the toilet paper, please? Hey, Quincy, is it okay if I have
yelling,
my blanket, please? I'm really cold.
He's really cold. Let him get the blanket.
Hey, Quincy, is it okay if I grab my lottery ticket? I think it's a winner, so I'm going. Quincy, is it okay if I just grab his book right here?
He's so sassy. That's what it says on the side.
How to be a gentleman, so you get him.
Said I can't live with you anymore. You leave your stuff everywhere. You bring girls here every night. You live like an animal. Listen to me.
Quincy, I think you're a cat.
Yo, bro, get out of my room, man.
Yeah, you're a cat. Quincy, if you bark one more time, you're gonna go in timeout. Oh, timeout. Hey, Quincy, guess what we're gonna do today? We're gonna find you a girlfriend. Woo! Yeah.
Oh, he's so happy.
No.
I've never seen dogs like him. I've never seen some dogs so happy.
Hump things.
I got stuck on my face.
Yes. You hump everything.
I like my mustache.
Which is why you need a girlfriend, so you can have puppies. Yes.
That's a girl?
You want puppies? Woohoo! That's right. Good boy.
Yo,
let's
what
go
you
get
want, man?
Come on.
He's still like my dog, guys.
Hey, Quincy, you're getting your balls chopped off today. Oh, gee, Quincy.
Quincy, get off of Elmo! Quincy, stop pumping Elmo! What are you doing, Quincy?
Quincy, I'm going to take this bone right here. I'm going to take this bone. Quincy, what are you doing?
Sleep.
What, are you just kicking back watching a football game? What's going on here? What? Quincy, what dog sits like that in the car? What's wrong with you, buddy? There's something wrong, my little man. Look at that. Quincy, are you real? What are you doing, buddy? That's weird.
So up, everybody out there.
What dog does this? You're supposed to lay down like a normal dog. Quincy, what are you doing? What are you doing here? Quincy, I swear there's something wrong with you, buddy. What dog sits like that on the stairs?
Sleep. I don't know how
Quincy,
he does
your
it.
favorite show,
This makes me want to have a dog.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo!
Comment down below, dog.
We ran out of data this month. Hey, Quincy, is it okay if I just bum a cigarette off of you? I just want one. That's Hey, Quincy, is it okay if I vacuum the house?
Just yell.
Hey, Quincy, guess what? Oh. Okay. I take this bone. Quincy, I'm going to take this bone right here. I'm going to take this bone. Quincy, can I have this bag right here, please? Quincy, can I have your cell phone, please? Oh, can I have these candy canes, please? I touched it. What are you going to do? Quincy, can I please have Barney? Give me Barney, please. Come on. Give me your toy. Hey, Quincy, is it okay if I take the channel remote? I don't want to watch Animal Planet. I don't like that show. Can I have... Hey, Quincy, it's time to go to the vet. We gotta go to the vet, buddy. Come on.
Oh, do you guys see him in the background? Look at him. Look at that dude.
I'm taking you to the vet. Woohoo! Quincy, you hate the vet.
That is the happiest dog I've ever seen.
I love you. You love me. Give me that whiskey bottle. I just caught you getting out. I caught you getting in the cupboard. Give it back.
Did I tell y'all?
Little drunk. This is my whiskey. You don't even like this kind. You don't even like this kind. You like the Jack Daniels. You know, I'm gonna take you to rehab. It's okay. It's all right. Everything's
Yo,
good.
man, why is you still in my room, bro? You was ruining the video.
Quincy!
This is why I lock my doors when I record, guys. If you are a YouTuber and you record...
Quincy!
Oh, my lips.
You angry drunk! You give it back right now!
Make sure
Quincy,
you lock your doors.
I'm gonna call the cops. I'm gonna call the cops.
Yeah,
Do you want me to call the cops?
Pick up all this fake money.
Yeah,
Because I
I'll
need
call
this for
them.
my video. I
I'm
told
gonna
you
call
that.
them. If you don't give this back right now, I'm gonna call them. Oh! You! I'm giving it one more shot. I'm taking this back. I don't care what you do. You can bite me if you have to. Ah!
I feel like that dog gonna kill that boy one day.
Give it back! Quincy, where are you going? Quincy! Please don't leave me! Please!
Ask me if I do this every day. I said often.
Quincy, I graduated college! Yes! Quincy, I see you hiding in my suitcase. Quincy, do you want to go on a road trip? Yeah. Yeah, I know you want to come. I know. But guess what? You can't come. You can't come. No. You can't come.
I'm asleep. I've never seen something like that.
I'm sorry.
Oh yeah, by the way, today is Vine Sunday, so today I'm gonna record nothing but vines, all vines, nothing but vines.
Quincy, we are going on a road trip. Woo! Yes, absolutely. Quincy, I finally get to meet this girl on Badoo. What do you
Let me
say?
just move this camera.
You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. Listen! Oh, your baby! Come here! Quincy, come here! I'm home! Come here! Hi!
Oh, Quincy, come back! Quincy, can I have this bag right here, please? Quincy, please come back. Please, just come. Please.
Whoa, that yell though, bro. You need to
Look
watch
at that,
that.
buddy. You went trick-or-treating, and you got way more candy than I did, so I'm gonna... Oh, what are you mad about? I just want to take a little... Ah! Quincy! That's not fair! You got way more than I got! Ah! Quincy, sharing is caring! Now give me a... Hey, listen. You're an herbivore/dog. Either one, not supposed to have chocolate, so I'll take a Snickers. How about that? Okay, listen. How about I'll take a smart?
pimples.
Okay, that was not smart. You're right. Okay.
Don't pay attention to that, guys.
Nothing? Okay. Quincy, if you don't give me a piece of candy, I'm going to send you back to Jurassic Park. Now, how do you feel about that? If I'll send you right back to Jurassic Park if you bark at me.
Because I got high. La 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 da da.
to this carousel. Will you hold my hand? Oh, won't you stay?
Quincy, it's time to go to the vet. Run. Run.
I'm sorry, guys. I really need to start locking my videos, my doors, because this is getting too out of hand.
Quincy, the DNA.
Yeah, it turns out Quincy and his best friend, you know, they some really good people. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys leave a like, comment, subscribe. You guys probably did enjoy it, because, I kept having some distractions. So, anyway, if you guys even liked it, otherwise, then you guys may leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I mean, I'm finna record some 2K today, and I'm finna be recording nothing but sports vines. So, hey, if you guys, you know, like this comment, make sure you guys leave a like, comment, subscribe. And, you know, I'll see you guys at my next video. I'm actually gonna be recording like 5 videos today. So, so I guess, peace. Wait. I might not record 5 videos because my 100th video is coming up. And y'all already know. Okay. Gotta find the next video. Oh, the camera's on? No!